What's the difference between the Peake and the Peake Pro solar post cap lights? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Peake solar post cap lights. Let's get into it. These anthracite Peake cap lights are almost identical. Let's unbox them both and see what the differences are. Let's unbox the Peake cap light first. In the box we have the instructions, the screws, and the light. With this light we have both 3-inch and 4-inch adapters. So there are 3 ways that you can install this light. If you have a 3-inch post, all you need to do is pop that in to the light and line up the screws with the holes and screw into place. If you have a 3.5-inch post, simply screw the light onto the post as it is. And finally, if you have a 4-inch post, you'll need to take the larger fitting and line up with the outer holes and screw into place. To initially turn on this light, you'll need to unscrew the light to access the inside and remove the tab. This is only for the first time that you're using the light. The only other time you'll need to unscrew the light like this is if you want to replace the battery. This light emits 15 lumens and is 125mm wide and 61mm tall. This light will turn on automatically at dusk. If we cover the panel, it tricks the light into thinking it's nighttime and the light comes on. Now let's unbox the Peake Pro so we can compare. Again, in the box we have the instructions, the screws, and the light. Everything in this box is identical to the standard Peake cap light. You can install this light in the same way with the 3-inch, the 3.5-inch, and the 4-inch options. Just like the standard Peake cap light, you'll need to unscrew the light and remove the tab to begin using the light. So what exactly is the difference between the two lights? The Pro light comes with a tougher plastic, making it more durable and able to withstand those harsher British winters. The Pro light is also twice as bright as the standard light, offering 30 lumens rather than the standard 15. However, the biggest difference between the two is the solar panel and the battery. As you can see, the Peake Pro has a much larger solar panel, almost double, meaning it charges faster and powers its 30 lumen output more effectively. The batteries in the Pro are also more powerful than in the standard Peake cap light. Both lights are warm white and perfect for adding lighting to fence posts or decking posts, all without the need for cables or mains power. If you have any questions about these products, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn the bell icon on if you want to be notified when there's a new video out. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.